Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? So it's 18th of May, it's Saturday, and I just got ready. I'm going out. So I went to Coles today and I picked up few things, so I just thought of sharing with you all. And also I'm going to share my bellabox. Bellabox is a monthly subscription box and I do share it every month. So first thing I picked up from Coles is this shaver. It comes with 2 blades, 2 cartridge, plus 1 travel cap. So this is the one I'm using, and literally my gills broke my one, so literally I love this one, and this is the color I hate, so I got the same one. I got some blades. You don't need a gel or anything. This has everything. This was only $10.99. I will insert a clip here. Okay, this is the shaver, which has 1 blade attached, and this is the cap, and this is the travel cap, and it's good to just put it on after shaving, and institution is written here. It's a nice shaver, and also it comes with a spare one. Isha picked up this one for herself. She likes this one. I don't know, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 pack, and it has 3 blades. I don't know, I told her to get that for herself too, but she said she likes this one, so I thought, okay, let's just get this one. Let's see what I got in my bellabox, guys. I'm literally so excited, and it's a pink box, purple box. Okay, this light is way too bright, I think. Oh gosh, I can't see. Okay, I think better. Okay, first thing I can see is a mascara, and I think I got this mascara a couple of times already and got again. This is by Maybelline, and yeah, got a spare one this time. Where is all our new mascaras, Isha? Just check if we have this one. Somewhere in here. Okay. Yeah.
Is it?
No. Okay. Not this one.
Yeah, it's this one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it again.
And then there's also this one.
Oh, okay. This is the new one which I opened the other day. It looks like this. This is by Maybelline, you all, and I think I applied this one in my last video which I uploaded on TikTok, or if you haven't watched, it's here on shorts too. So this one is by Maybelline too, and I haven't tried this one, and this one is the new one, and this is the new one. This is the one I got last time, I think, in bellabox. So I put couple of mascara, and the mascara brush looks like this, and this is new too. Okay, okay, my mascara is dry, so I can't apply. I'm not wearing any lashes at the moment. I just applied this mascara, which is my favorite by Maybelline. This is their Falsies Surreal mascara, which is really good. I have applied, and yeah, it's okay. The next product I got is this gentle face cleanser by QV and night cream by QV. Okay, I can't wait to try this product. Let's see if it's okay. It's sealed. I always check. Okay, so I can't wait to try this sample. So got this I Hours Goddess lipstick in the shade Honey, and last time I got the nude one. I'm wearing it with a dark lip liner. Literally, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is how the nude one looks. Okay, and the shade looks like this. Okay, you can see. Oh my gosh, this camera is not focusing. You can see it. Okay, okay, this is okay. You can't see that much. Okay, but the color is like this. Okay, and like I have used this much of it. It's really pretty. I love the lipstick, and the texture is really good too, and like, oh my gosh, I love it. So let's just see the honey shade. The packaging is so cool, and gosh, look at it. It looks so pretty. Wow, oh my gosh, love this shade. This is nude and this is honey, like literally. Let me just try it. Like, okay, I'm going to try later. So the next one is this Avon's sunscreen lotion, sunscreen emulsion, 50 plus, very high protection, face and body. This one is lightweight texture dye touch for sensitive skin. So this one is face, this is face and body. And this one is for face. Looks like this. Whenever I run out of my creams, I do use all these samples that time. Okay, and this is for face and body. Okay, also I got this $70 off across 3 boxes by Chef Good. Your beauty glow up, your diet and crush healthy eating goals with Chef Good. Okay, so got a code at the back of this to use. This is the website if you're interested. Okay, so now I'm going to try this lipstick because literally I just want to try it, and I think it's good. If I'm going to be trying it today, because why not? I'm going to redo the lip liner. I don't know which lip liner I have used. It's by Maybelline. just look at the shade, like literally it's just so gorgeous. I don't know, like on the camera I can see it's a bit light, but I think it's a bit dark, depends on the lighting, but it's beautiful. And like it's so good for fall season if you don't want to like wear too dark. Like I'm not wearing too dark when I go out, so it all depends on the occasion. But like literally I love these. Both lipstick shades are really beautiful, they are pretty, and yeah, I like it. So yeah, I do keep in the original packaging because I love it. I don't know the price of this lipstick, but I love it. I do carry this bag with me all the time nowadays to do touch-ups, because sometimes my girls like to do touch-ups too. So yeah, I'm going to go, and then I'm going to share a little clip at the end for you to enjoy. So I just wanted to like show you all how silky my hair is. Like literally I just applied this oil. Like this oil is okay, but the hair care routine I'm like following at the moment is like literally made my hair this soft, and it shines a lot, and literally it's very soft, literally very soft. Like my hair is so frizzy, but like it's so soft. And in that hair care routine video I haven't shared the recipe of the oil, but literally it's coming up when my oil finishes. I'm going to share the recipe that time, okay? And literally my skin feels so good too, and like I do like do once per week hair and skin care. I don't do all the time, but I do use one product which is just so good. This product is a blemish plus age defense for treatment for aging skin and also imperfections, and this says correct, and I don't know how to read. I don't know how to say this word, but if you can read it, like this is the product. And I have got no idea where you can buy this product from, but I think you can get it from Chemist Warehouse or Priceline, and if not, you can check online. Just Google the name, this name, and this serum. It comes in a dropper like this, which is so good. Okay, so I think it has removed or like lightened up a few of the blemishes. I have just applied one coat of this foundation, and I'm wearing this foundation since morning. And this foundation is by Huda Beauty in the shade Butter Pecan 330N. This is my go-to favorite foundation in fall season. I don't like to apply this foundation in summertime, but this time is okay. And literally I just applied one coat, and I used to apply like 2 to 3 coats when I got that foundation, but it does last long, and I think one coat is really good. You can just see my skin, and literally I'm wearing the foundation since morning. I have applied the foundation 7 a.m. and now it's 5:47 p.m. I love the foundation, and I thought I'll just wear the same makeup, and I just changed the lipstick. Yeah, this is it for this video. If you want to like try this oil, if you have some acne marks or anything, this is really good. I had lots of acne marks, but now it's fading away when I'm over 40, because now I know a lot than I used to know before. So how to keep my skin this perfect. And if you are over 40 and you have to like take care of your skin a lot, your hair, your skin, and this is it. I will catch you all later in my next video.